We rebranded our company to Dayloom, and there's a couple of things with that. Number one, I love the word loom. It means to linger, to stay long, to stay over, and I wanted to create spaces that people just like to linger in. And we want to take that daytime and extend it, where you have that beautiful Saturday afternoon and you don't want it to end. We wanted to have that go into the evening, and the evening turns even more magical than the day. Adding audio and lighting allowed us to really create spaces that we could have a customer can be enjoying their pool, enjoying their backyard, listening to some music, sunsets, lights come on, and they just have this beautiful environment to really have friends and family and others gather. So we came up with the tagline, designing good nights, and we want the best nights that people spend to be spent at our customers' homes. The come on over home, the whole idea of like, when you're gonna have a great night, it's going to be at one of our customers' homes because they've created an outdoor space. You know, we have more fun in the outdoors than we do inside. Getting the kids out playing, having friends, family, gathering outside is just a better environment. And so if you're looking for landscape lighting design, not cookie cutter lighting, but actual lighting design, which is a thing. Great, beautiful lighting design that when you see it, you know it looks different and it feels different. Dayloom is the company in Virginia and Maryland and DC, Virginia Beach. Really in this area, there's no company that has more experience, that has done more projects, that has the wealth of knowledge that my team has and has the product line that we've developed. If you're in Virginia, Maryland, DC, and you're looking for great landscape lighting, look no further than Dayloom. Allow us to earn your trust and let us design your good nights.